Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100 in under 1 hour. Blank, underscore, blank. What if you could build your first AI business? Today, no coding, no team, no funding, just your laptop in 6 hours. Sounds crazy? That's exactly what we're doing. Because the truth is, the fastest growing businesses right now are built by individuals using AI. And most of them started with zero tech background. So, how do you do it? How do you build something people actually pay for, without getting lost in complicated tools? That's what this video will show you, step by step. By the end, you'll have a working AI business that can make your first sale. You'll also see the exact tool that made me $100 in my first hour. So keep watching. This one might change how you look at making money online forever. Before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe and click the bell. I drop AI money-making tools every week. Let's start with step 1. Picking your niche. Because if you get this part right, everything else becomes easy. And if you skip it, you'll waste hours building something nobody wants. So here's the trick. Don't think big. Think small. Micro niches are where the gold is. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT. You need to build the ChatGPT for one tiny problem. Like ChatGPT for realtors, or AI follow-ups for freelancers. Small target, big results. So, how do you find your micro niche? Go where people complain, Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or Quora. Find 5 pain points that repeat over and over. Write them down. Those are your potential business ideas. Pick one problem that looks easy to automate. Congratulations. That's your starting point. Already ahead of 90% of people who never pick one. Next, let's build your stack. But first, let's lock in your mindset. Forget perfection. We're building fast and learning faster. If it works 60%, you ship it. AI businesses grow by iteration, not by theory. Ready? Let's go. Step 2. Pick your AI tool stack. This is where beginners often panic. So I'll make it simple. You need just 3 tools. 1 to generate output. That's your AI engine. 1 to automate workflows. That's your connector. And 1 to present results. That's your interface. For the AI engine, use OpenAI, Claude, or Gemini. For automation, use N8N, Zapier, or Make. For interface, use Bubble, Webflow, or even Google Sheets. That's it. 3 tools, period. Now, pick your combo and stick to it for this build. Because tool hopping kills progress. Commit for 6 hours and you'll have your prototype. Blank, underscore, blank. Building the MVP. Step 3. Build your MVP, or minimum viable product. This is your version 1, the ugly but working version. It doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to work. Start with 1 input, 1 process, 1 output. Example. A form where users type text right pointing arrow AI summarizes right pointing arrow output email. That's it. You don't need a logo, website, or fancy graphics. You just need a workflow that delivers value. Here's a shortcut: use templates. N8N and Make have hundreds of AI automation templates. Clone one that's close to your idea. Then customize the AI prompt to fit your niche. Test it with sample data. If it gives half good results, that's enough. Don't fix perfection now. We iterate later. Next, connect your interface. You can even use a simple Google form as your front end. When the user submits, trigger your workflow. AI processes it, sends result by email or Telegram. Boom, working product. You just built your first AI automation. Now we validate. Validation means seeing if someone will actually pay for it. Don't guess. Test. Post your service in a small niche group. Say something like, build a tiny AI that saves you 30 minutes a day. Want to try? Give it free to 5 people. Ask, did it save time? Would you pay for it? If even one person says yes, you're on track. If everyone says no, tweak the output or the niche. That's how you find product market fit. Not by guessing, but by testing fast. Here's another trick. Add a personal touch. Say, I built this AI just for you. People love personalized tools. They'll share them. And sharing brings traction. Once you get feedback, improve prompt quality. Better prompts equals better results equals happier users. Don't overcomplicate prompts. Clarity beats creativity. State what you want, define tone, format, and length. Keep it predictable. That's your secret to reliable AI outputs. Now let's talk about your first sale. Post your working demo online, LinkedIn, Reddit, or X. Show a result screenshot. Add, "This AI saved me 30 minutes per task." That's real proof. Proof builds trust. And trust gets you paid. Even one sale validates the model. Remember, you're not building an empire yet. You're proving your system works. Once proven, automation is next. Because automation is where real freedom begins. Ready for that part? Good. Let's automate everything. But before that, if this breakdown's helping, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I'm dropping a new AI build tutorial every week. Alright, automation time. Blank, underscore, blank, automation and AMP. Scale. Step 4, automate and scale. Your goal. Remove yourself from repetitive tasks. Start with onboarding. Make clients sign up automatically. Use a form that triggers a workflow. When someone signs up, your AI starts their process instantly. Next, automate delivery. When AI completes the output, send results by email or API. No manual sending. Then automate payment. Use Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or Stripe. Hook it to your workflow. When they pay, their automation unlocks. Congratulations! You're running an AI business on autopilot. Now it's time to multiply. Add one more automation every week. One for social posts, one for feedback, one for reporting. Soon, your business runs without you. That's the beauty of AI entrepreneurship. No employees. No burnout, just systems. Want to scale further? Offer white label versions. Other freelancers will pay to use your automation. That's recurring revenue. And it scales infinitely. Here's the secret. Document everything. Every automation, every step. Write it down. Then use that doc to train new clients or resell templates. You've now turned your one product into a product ecosystem. Keep iterating. Add AI for analytics, client reports, or lead scoring. You're not just building a tool, you're building leverage. And leverage means freedom. Now let's talk about the fun part. The tool that made me $100 in 1 hour. You waited for it. Here it is. It was a simple automation. AI prompt plus webhook. The prompt summarized YouTube videos into key takeaways. The webhook delivered them to a Notion page automatically. I posted it as AI video note taker. Someone bought it instantly for $100. Took me 40 minutes to build. That's the power of micro AI businesses. Tiny automations, real money. You can build one today, literally in 6 hours. And the best part? Each one teaches you a new skill. Stack those skills, and you become unstoppable. Because the AI economy is still early. You're not late, you're perfectly on time. But only if you start now. So don't just watch, take action. Open your laptop after this video. Block out 6 hours. Follow the steps. By tonight, you'll have your first working AI business. It might not make $1,000 yet, but it'll make something, and that's how momentum starts. Because your first dollar online is the hardest. After that, it's just systems and scaling. Keep your mindset simple. Launch fast, learn fast, improve fast. And remember, people don't buy AI, they buy solutions. So always sell outcomes, not algorithms. Example. Don't say AI script tool. Say video scripts in 10 seconds. Sell speed. Sell clarity, sell relief. That's what customers want. Once you master that language, clients chase you. You become the go-to AI builder in your space. And that's how 6 hours can change your next 6 months. We're almost done. Let's wrap with your roadmap. Grab your notepad. Blank, underscore, blank. Let's recap your 6-hour build. Hour 1, pick your micro niche. Hour 2, choose your AI stack. Hour 3, build your first MVP. Hour 4, validate with 5 users. Hour 5, automate onboarding and delivery. Hour 6, launch and promote. Simple, fast, actionable, and it works. You don't need coding skills, you don't need investors. You just need focus and execution. Because AI has leveled the playing field. One person can now do what used to take a whole team. That's why I made this guide, to help you start before it's crowded. Now here's your next move. Pause this video after the outro. Set a timer for 6 hours. Follow each step. And send me your finished build. I want to feature the best ones. Seriously, tag me when you launch yours. I'll share my favorites next week. Because your success helps others believe it's possible. We're building a new creator economy, powered by AI. And you're early. So start today. If you got value from this, drop a like. It really helps more people see it. Comment what niche you're choosing. I read every comment and reply personally. And if you want to go deeper, check the links in the description. You'll find templates, tools, and free workflow downloads. All designed to get your first $100 fast. Remember, action beats knowledge. So don't overthink. Just start, and when you hit your first sale, celebrate it. That moment means freedom. Because if you can earn $1 with AI, you can earn $1,000. It's just scale. You've got this. Before you go, make sure to hit subscribe. Click the bell so you never miss the next AI drop. I've got new builds, prompts, and income blueprints dropping weekly. And trust me, you don't want to miss tomorrow's upload. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Thanks for watching. Now go build your first AI business. You're 6 hours away from proof, 6 hours away from progress, and 6 hours away from freedom. This is your time. This is your edge. Start now. Don't scroll. Build. Your future self is already thanking you. AI isn't the future. It's now. Be the one who builds with it, not the one who gets replaced by it. If you're still watching, that means you're serious, and serious people win. So go, create, launch. And when you win, come back and tell me your story, because I'm rooting for you. Alright, go make something incredible. Stay curious. Stay consistent.